Hello everybody. Today we try to solve this maths. Find the equation of the tangent to each curve at the point given by the x coordinate. Question A, y equals to 3x square plus 1 divided by x plus 1 square whole square at x equals to 3. Before starting to solve this maths, we try to understand what is tangent. Think this is a curve and this is x equals to 3 point. This is x equals to 3 point. In this point, when you draw a straight line which only touch this line is said to be tangent. So just touch in this point, this line is said to be tangent. And in this point, the gradient of this curve and the gradient of this tangent is same. So at first we try to find out the coordinates, that is y value of this point where x equals to 3. Then we should find out the gradient of in this point. Then we have to find out the equation of tangent. And we know that equation of tangent formula is like any line which passes through x1, y1, and if it is gradient m, so equation of tangent is y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. So any line which passes through x1, y1 and which gradient is m. So the equation of the straight line, and specifically this straight line is tangent. So y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Okay. So again, I say these things. A tangent is what? Tangent is the straight line which only touch only one point of a curve in a specific point. Like x equals to 3, if we draw a straight line which touch this curve in this point x equals to 3, this line is said to be tangent. And in this point, the gradient of this curve and gradient of this tangent is same. So we should find out the y value here when x equals to 3. And after that, we have to find out, we have to differentiate this curve and find out the gradient of this curve at this point x equals to 3. Then finally, we can find out the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent means equation of straight line. Okay, now start. Solution. When x equals to 3, y equals to 3 square plus 1, 3 plus 1 whole square. So upper side we get 3 into 9 plus 1. Below side 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 square means 16. So 3 9s are 27 plus 1 is 28 by 16. If we cancel, we get 7 by 4. So the coordinate by which this tangent passes, which the tangent touch is, so the coordinate 3 and 7 by 4. This is the coordinate by which this line touches this curve. Now we should find out the gradient of this curve. We have to differentiate. Now see how can we differentiate. Now y equals to 3x square plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. Let u equals to 3x square plus 1. So if we differentiate u with respect to x, we'll get here 3. X square differentiation is 2x 2 minus 1 plus when you differentiate 1, it will be 0. So finally you will get here 6x and v goes to x plus 1 whole square. So dv by dx equals to 2x plus 1, 2 minus 1. Multiply, when you differentiate x plus 1, you will get here 1. So finally we get 2x plus 1. Okay. Now, the quotient rule for y. So the quotient rule. Why this is quotient rule? Because here u by b format. The question is curve is u by b format. So the quotient rule for y equals to u by v. So you can write here dy by dx equals to v square v du by dx minus u dv by dx. Now we have to put the value here. So dy by dx equals to v square means, what is v here? X plus 1 whole square percent whole square. So v, right here v is here x plus 1 whole square, then du by dx is 6x minus u equals to 3x square plus 1 into dv by dx is 2x plus 1. Okay. Now if we take common x plus 1 from both of these, so what will we get here? X plus 1. So here we will get x plus 1 into 6x minus 3x square plus 1 into 2. And x plus 1 square and whole square, it will be x plus 1 to the power 4. If we cancel both of these, the below side will become x plus 1 to the power 3. So finally we get here below side x plus 1 to the power 3, and here 6 minus 6x square and 6 will cancel, so it will be 6x minus 2. So dy by dx equals to this. The gradient of curve at x equals to 3, dy by dx equals to, now we put the x value 3 over there, 3 plus 1 to the power 3, 6 into 3 minus 2. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 to the power 3 means 64 here. And 3, 6 are 18 minus 2 is 16. So if we cancel, we'll get here 1 by 4. Now our gradient is 1 by 4. So this gradient, also the gradient of tangent. So the gradient of tangent m equals to 1 by 4. So we have specific point by which this curve line touch this curve. This is the coordinate, and we also get the gradient of tangent. So now we should find out the equation of the tangent by using this formula. Now see. So the equation of tangent y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. So y1 is 7 by 4 and m equals to 1 by 4. X minus x1 is this 3. Now simplify this. Y equals to 1 by 4x minus 3 by 4 plus 7 by 4. Now here y equals to 1 by 4x. If we do rearrange this, 7 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So 1 by 4x plus 4, 7 minus 3. It will be 1 by 4x plus 4 by 4. If we cancel, here 1 come. Therefore, finally we get y equals to 1 by 4x plus 1. This is the equation of tangent. Another question, find the equation of the tangent to each curve at the point given by the x coordinate, y equals to sine x by x and x equals to pi. So when x equals to pi, that means you have to change your calculator in radian mode, because sine x, you have to put here pi value, x value pi. So it is in radian measurement. So you have to change your calculator in radian mode. Now at first, we should find out the value of y when x equals to pi. So when x equals to pi, y equals to sine pi by pi. So it will be 0. Result will be 0. So the coordinate is pi 0. Now we have to differentiate y equals to sine x by x. Definitely it is u by v method, and we know u by v method is what? Y equals to u by v. So if any function is like this form, it will be u by v format. So it formula is v square v du by dx minus u dv by dx. This is the u by v method formula or quotient rule. So here we can write let u equals to sine x. So du by dx. It is trigonometrical differentiation. When you differentiate sine x, it will come cos x. And v equals to x. So dv by dx, when you differentiate v x with respect to x, it will be 1. So we get du by dx and dv by dx. Now, using the quotient rule, this is the quotient rule. We have to put the value. So dy by dx equals to, if we write v square, that means v is what? V is here x. So it will be x square x. Du by dx is cos x minus u equals to sine x, and dv by dx is 1. Okay. Now, if we want to find out the gradient of this curve at the point x equals to pi, so put x equals to pi. So dy by dx equals to pi square. So pi cos pi minus sine pi. Okay. So pi, we know cos pi equals to minus 1 and sine pi equals to 0, and we'll side pi square. So here minus pi by pi square. If we cancel it, it will be minus 1 by pi. So the gradient of this curve, gradient of the curve equals to minus 1 by pi. And also in this specific point, the gradient of tangent m equals to minus 1 by pi. Now we have to find out the equation of tangent. We know the equation of tangent formula is this. So we can write y minus y1. What is y1 here? 0 equals to m minus 1 by pi. X minus x1 is pi. Now y equals to minus 1 by pi x plus 1 by pi multiply pi. So finally we get minus 1 by pi x plus 1. So this is the equation of tangent. I think everybody understand this maths. This is from O-level pure mathematics book, differentiation chapter. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.